It's time for another weekend adventure, and we're headed to our friend Bruce and Maureen's house to make some burritos.
Traffic is awful. People are going up north for the weekend. What is the f***ing point? I'm gonna try really hard not to make too big of a mess in your kitchen.
How big do you want it?
Grated?
Yeah.
Not sliced.
Yeah, this one or this one or this one.
That one. Grating side.
You're grading on my desk.
Jason, come over here and taste this. Does it have any flavor?
It's missing something. No, it doesn't have enough flavor.
I know, it's missing something.
It has flavor now.
It does have, but it takes a second.
Chorizo.
It's flaming proof.
That's after you eat it.
You take one end and you fold it over, right? But not all the way. And then what you do is you kind of squeeze and pull so that all of your filling stays inside. Oh, you fold the little ends in like this, right? And then what you do is you roll. That looks okay. Great.
So how much?
Yep.
So how much burritos? About 17.
Didn't make as much as I thought I was going to. That's not right.
Not?
That's not right at all.
How do you know?
Because I know what it should taste like.
Oh.
Don't take a video of me drunk on the kitchen floor with the cat.
We were up late and we're really tired, and it's just the start of the weekend, but we had a great time.
What time is it? Like noon or
It's noon. We didn't go
It's
to bed
1
until like 2.
o'clock.
It's gonna be a long weekend.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's great. Let's go. We made it home. Georgia and I are gonna take a nap.
Hey Rich, I thought you were gonna put these clothes away.
I'm trying to finish this sci-fi pulp book. Also, I want to start on my backlog today.
So I'm going back through the 90 minutes worth of footage I shot for our last episode, and I'm trying to find some bloopers to share with you on Instagram and YouTube. So we're downtown right now charging our cars, and we're stopping by a local Irish pub to grab a couple of beers and some appetizers.
We went out this morning, got some really good beers, forgot to take any video of it.
It's 1 a.m. I'm tired as f***. We're picking up ingredients to make Mediterranean chores of salad for a party we're going to tomorrow. It's Sunday, and Rich and I are going to a party at my brother's girlfriend's house, and I'm making a Mediterranean orzo salad.
So we're on our way to a Memorial Day party. I hate parties. I don't want to go. I'm tired. I'm making Jason drive, and I'm making Jason listen to Britney Spears. That was my finger. Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know?
I think if you're both on it at the same time, here, I'll go switch. You go now.
Oh!
There you go. There. No, lay the right way. Turn
This
around.
is the way I sleep.
This is not how you're gonna sleep. Turn around. Turn the right way. No! Okay. Go that way. There you go.
What's going on? How do you make it stop?
Hold on. Oh my god, it's gonna explode. Okay. Is it too hard?
It's never too hard.
Now this one, you'll notice this one has kind of a more of a grassy feel.
It's a beer.
This will explode on your tongue. It'll just kind of evaporate in your mouth.
Slowly, truly, going on.
It goes like this. It goes, Dave, it goes, Stacy's mom. Well, then you say
Stacy's mom.
Stacy's
got
mom has got it going on.
If I had $1 million, you wouldn't have to walk to the store. If I had $1 million, we'd take a limousine because it costs more. If I had $1 million, we wouldn't have to eat crap dinner. But we would.
Because
It tastes delicious.
So we're just taking off now. We're really tired and we drank way too much.
I want to get in my steps. There's a metro park on the way, so we're gonna stop at that. This was a bad decision.
Like, we're gonna be waiting a long time to get in here.
Maybe we'll get lucky and everybody will have the pass.
So I've never seen such rabid mosquitoes. That was awful. So that was our weekend. We are thoroughly exhausted. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time with the Q and Gay. For real this time.
You make my heart sing. You make everything groovy.
I'm pretty sure that is not how it goes.
I never heard that.